Music. Need cash fast? This is my EasyMoney Express loan review. Find links below. I'll cover key features, who it's for, and my experience to help you decide. EasyMoney provides quick, user-friendly access to cash. Their Express loan is perfect for emergencies like medical bills, repairs, or income gaps. Loans range from $200 to $5,000, adapting to your needs. Apply online from home in minutes. One highlight? Super fast approvals. Decisions are usually made in minutes, with funds deposited as soon as the next business day. Need cash urgently? EasyMoney is a great option. They also cater to borrowers with all credit histories, taking a holistic view of your finances. Even with past credit issues, you have a good chance of approval. Transparent terms and clear repayment schedules eliminate hidden surprises. EasyMoney is ideal for quick, short-term solutions. But like any short-term loan, carefully review the interest rates and repayment terms. Ready to learn more or apply? Click the links below. Thanks for watching. Hope this review helps you decide if EasyMoney is right for you.